For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a business without money might sound impossible, but in today's digital world, it's more than achievable, especially with artificial intelligence, AI, as your co-pilot. AI tools can help you brainstorm, build, market, and grow a business with virtually no startup capital. Here's your step-by-step guide on how to do just that. Step 1. Choose a zero-cost business model. The first step is choosing a business that doesn't require inventory, office space, or upfront investment. Some zero-cost business models include freelancing, writing, design, voiceover, etc., affiliate marketing, print on demand, dropshipping, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, blogs, digital product sales, ebooks, templates. Use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas. Give me 10 online business ideas I can start with $0. AI can analyze your interests, skills, and market trends to recommend the best business model for your goals. Then ask it to explain how each model works, including monetization and growth strategies. Step 2. Validate your idea for free with AI tools. Before diving in, test your idea using free AI-powered tools. Google Trends, spot market demand. ChatGPT, simulate potential customer Q&A. Answer the public, see what people are searching for. Reddit plus ChatGPT, summarize what real users are saying about a niche. For example, ask, summarize the common problems people have with online fitness coaching. Or, is there demand for digital planners among students? ChatGPT can help you analyze the data you find and tell you if your idea has real potential. This helps avoid wasting time on ideas that sound good but don't attract customers. Step 3. Create a brand for free using AI. Branding used to require graphic designers and copywriters. Now AI can do it for you, free or very cheap. Here's what you can generate with AI tools. Business names. Use Namelix or ask ChatGPT. Logos. Try Loca, Canva, or Logomaker. Taglines and mission statements. Ask ChatGPT. Brand colors and fonts. Use ColorMind or ask ChatGPT to suggest branding that matches your tone. Example prompt. Create a brand guide for a minimalist skincare line targeting Gen Z. You'll get a cohesive, professional identity without spending a dime. Step 4. Build your website or store for free with AI help. Even with no coding or design experience, you can build a free website or online store. Card, great for one-page websites. Wix, use Wix's AI website builder. WordPress.com, free blog-style websites. Shopify, free trial. Start dropshipping or print on demand. Use ChatGPT to write website copy, create product descriptions, generate FAQs, optimize for SEO. Example prompt. Write a homepage for a personal finance coaching service for single moms. To add images and design elements, use Canva, free, or Pexel/Unsplash for royalty-free photos. AI can also generate product mockups if you're selling digital goods or t-shirts. Step 5. Create and launch a product with zero cost. Depending on your business model, here's how to launch with no money. Freelancing. Use ChatGPT to create a professional gig description and bio. Use free platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. Digital products. Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, templates, planners, or online courses. Use Canva to design and sell via Gumroad or Ko-Fi. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or journals using Canva and sell on Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful plus Shopify. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using a free blog, WordPress, YouTube, or TikTok. Use AI copywriting tools like Jasper AI to generate promotional content. Every tool here has a free version. You don't need to pay until you start making money. Step 6. Use AI to generate free marketing content. Marketing is usually expensive, but AI makes it free and effective. Social media. Use ChatGPT, Copy.ai, or Okoya to generate engaging posts. Write captions and hashtags. Create hooks for Reels/TikToks. Schedule posts using Buffer or Later. Example prompt. Write 10 Instagram captions for a productivity planner brand. Blogs and SEO. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts optimized for SEO. You can also use Ubersuggest or NeuronWriter AI, free versions available, to choose blog topics and keywords. Email marketing. Start a free account on MailerLite or Brevo. Use ChatGPT to write welcome emails, design drip campaigns, optimize subject lines. Example prompt. Write a 3-email welcome sequence for a productivity newsletter. All this content can be generated in minutes, not hours, saving you time and money. Step 7. Automate your business for free using AI tools. Use AI and automation to manage tasks that would normally require staff. Zapier, free tier. Automate repetitive tasks. Tidio or MiniChat, free versions. AI chatbots to answer customer questions. Notion AI, manage your to-do lists and ideas. Google Sheets plus ChatGPT, track orders, expenses, or marketing data. Example automation. When someone fills out a contact form on your website, Zapier sends you an email and adds their info to a Google Sheet. This helps you run a business solo without working 24/7. Step 8. Learn everything with AI instead of buying courses. No money for business classes? No problem. AI can teach you anything. Ask ChatGPT for how-to guides. Use YouTube plus ChatGPT summaries. Summarize free business books with ChatGPT or Claude.ai. Example prompt. Summarize the book, The Lean Startup, and give me a 7-day action plan to apply it to a content business. You can also simulate mentorship. Act as a business coach. Help me set weekly goals for my new print-on-demand store. This free on-demand education is more actionable than most expensive courses. Step 9. Grow and scale with free AI insights. Once you get traction, AI can help you grow. Analyze traffic using Google Analytics plus ChatGPT summaries. Track trends using AI-powered tools like Exploding Topics. Get customer feedback through AI surveys with Tally or Typeform AI. Example prompt. How can I double my email subscribers using only free tools? You can also use AI to translate content to reach global markets. Repurpose blog posts into social media content. Activity test headlines, prices, and offers. Scaling becomes smarter and faster when AI handles the data work for you. Conclusion, final thoughts. Starting a business with no money used to be nearly impossible. But today, AI has erased most of the traditional barriers. No need for office space, staff, or even special skills. With free AI tools, you can validate and plan your business, create content and branding, launch a product or service, market it online for free, automate everything, all without spending a single dollar up front. So don't wait. Use AI as your creative partner and launch your first business today. 0 money down and all upside ahead. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.